Welcome to Motors Sports Mania, your trusted source for in-depth car reviews, feature breakdowns, and honest insights on everything from classic rides to futuristic machines. Today, we take a closer look at the 2026 Nissan Altima, a midsize sedan that has long held a reputation for blending reliability, performance, and innovation into a sleek and comfortable package. In a market crowded with crossovers and compact SUVs, the Altima remains a solid choice for those who still value the essence of a well-rounded sedan. The 2026 model brings a series of upgrades that refine its design, enhance performance, and add more technology to keep it competitive in today's fast-moving automotive landscape. The first thing you'll notice about the 2026 Altima is its sharpened exterior. Nissan has given this model a more refined front fascia with a revised V-motion grille that now integrates more seamlessly with the LED headlamps. The lights themselves are sleeker and more aggressive, offering excellent visibility with enhanced energy efficiency. The front bumper design adds a sporty touch, while the side profile retains the classic Altima flow with smooth body lines, a strong shoulder crease, and subtle chrome accents that frame the windows. At the rear, the taillights have been slightly redesigned with LED elements that mimic the front's lighting signature, providing a more balanced and modern look. Alloy wheels are available in multiple designs and sizes, ranging from 17 to 19 inches, depending on the trim. Under the hood, the 2026 Altima offers two engine options, continuing Nissan's strategy of offering both efficiency and performance for different types of drivers. The base engine is a 2.5-liter inline-4, naturally aspirated, producing around 188 horsepower and 244 Nm of torque. This engine is refined and capable, delivering smooth acceleration and good fuel economy for daily commuting. For those looking for a more dynamic driving experience, there's the 2.0-liter VC turbo engine that generates approximately 248 horsepower and 370 Nm of torque. What makes the VC turbo unique is its variable compression technology, which adjusts the compression ratio in real time to balance performance and fuel efficiency. Both engines are paired with a continuously variable transmission, which Nissan has tuned for improved responsiveness in the 2026 model, offering simulated gear shifts to give a more engaging driving feel. The Altima's driving dynamics have also seen subtle improvements. Steering response is sharper, and the suspension has been retuned to provide a better balance between comfort and handling. Whether you're cruising on highways or maneuvering through tight city streets, the Altima feels composed and stable. One major advantage of this model is its availability with all-wheel drive, which is still a rarity in the midsize sedan segment. This feature provides added confidence in rain, snow, and rougher road conditions, making the Altima more versatile year-round. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Altima offers a well-thought-out interior with quality materials and a clean layout. Soft-touch surfaces, brushed aluminum trim pieces, and stitched accents contribute to a premium feel. The dashboard design is simple yet elegant, centered around a 12.3-inch infotainment display that now supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard. The digital instrument cluster is sharp and customizable, giving drivers a clear view of navigation, speed, fuel data, and driver assistance settings. Higher trims feature a heads-up display and premium Bose audio system that delivers immersive sound quality throughout the cabin. Passenger comfort remains a strong point for the Altima. Both front and rear seats are supportive, with ample legroom and headroom for adults. Nissan's zero-gravity seats are standard on most trims and offer excellent comfort for long drives. The rear seatback folds in a 60/40 split, expanding the already generous trunk space, which accommodates luggage, groceries, or even larger gear-like golf bags or camping supplies. Dual-zone climate control, heated front seats, a heated steering wheel, and remote engine start with intelligent climate control are available to enhance daily convenience. On the tech and safety front, the 2026 Altima comes well-equipped with Nissan's Safety Shield 360 suite as standard. This includes automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, rear cross traffic alert, blind spot warning, lane departure warning, and high beam assist. Advanced trims also offer ProPilot Assist, Nissan's semi-autonomous driving system, which helps maintain speed, lane position, and distance from other vehicles during highway driving. The driver attention alert and traffic sign recognition add further layers of security, giving the Altima an edge in a safety-conscious market. fuel economy remains competitive, especially with the base 2.5-liter engine, which delivers an estimated 28 mpg in the city and 39 mpg on the highway with front-wheel drive. The VC turbo engine, while more powerful, also maintains respectable numbers, offering around 25 mpg city and 34 mpg highway, thanks to its advanced variable compression system. The all-wheel drive variant sees a slight dip in efficiency but compensates with enhanced traction and peace of mind in adverse weather. The 2026 Altima positions itself as a smart choice for buyers who want more than just utility from their car. It caters to families, young professionals, and even older drivers looking for a blend of traditional driving enjoyment and modern tech. Its driving characteristics, comfort features, and reliability reputation make it a sensible alternative to more expensive sedans or tech-heavy crossovers. For those tired of overly complicated infotainment setups and who prefer real buttons, straightforward controls, and a dependable ride, the Altima remains one of the best balanced options in its segment. Nissan has kept pricing within a competitive range, offering solid value across all trim levels. Base trims are attractively priced for budget-conscious buyers, while the higher trims like the SR and Platinum offer more luxury and performance without breaking into premium territory. This price-performance balance is a big reason why the Altima continues to attract a loyal following year after year. In conclusion, the 2026 Nissan Altima proves that sedans still have a rightful place on today's roads. With its updated styling,